Compared to estimates, Occidental, OXY, Q4 earnings. A look at key metrics. Although the revenue and EPS for Occidental, OXY, give a sense of how its business performed in the quarter ended December 2024, it might be worth considering how some key metrics compare with Wall Street estimates and the year-ago numbers.
Occidental Petroleum. Making cost progress. Warren Buffett's continued investment in Occidental Petroleum highlights its bargain status. Despite declining oil prices, Occidental's cash flow remains stable. Rising natural gas prices and increasing export capacity present a bright outlook for Occidental's future profitability.
Occidental posts mixed Q4 results. Occidental Petroleum, OXY 1.62%, an integrated oil and gas company, announced its fourth quarter 2024 earnings on February 18, 2025. The company reported adjusted EPS of 80 cents, exceeding the market expectation of 68 cents by 17.6%.
Broctagon partners with Level 2 to simplify strategy creation for Axis CRM Brokers London, February 19, 2025, Globe Newswire. Level 2 and Broctagon partner to bring no-code automated trading to brokers using Axis CRM. This innovative collaboration aims to simplify the strategy creation process for brokers and all their traders currently using Broctagon's Axis CRM platform.
NewLake Capital Partners, 11% yield, discount to book value make up for risks. NewLake Capital Partners offers a high-yield dividend of approximately 11%, covered by AFFO, and trades below its tangible book value, presenting an attractive opportunity. Tenant risk is moderate, with the top 3 tenants, 46.7% of ABR, being relatively stable, despite some smaller tenants facing financial difficulties. The cannabis REIT industry carries inherent risks, but NLCP's valuation and dividend yield provide a margin of.
Construction Partners, Inc. Investigation ongoing. Contact Levi and Korsinsky to discuss your rights. Road, New York City, New York, ACCS Newswire, February 18, 2025. Levi and Korsinsky notifies investors that it has commenced an investigation of Construction Partners, Inc., Construction Partners, Inc., NASDAQ, Road, concerning possible violations of federal securities laws. On January 23, 2025, Spruce Point Capital Management published a report highlighting the increasing pressures faced by Conster.
Billionaire Andreas Halvorsen sold Viking Global's entire stake in Tesla and is piling into this potential stock split. Stock-important data releases aren't hard to come by on Wall Street. Every week, investors are privy to economic data and quarterly operating results from some of America's most influential businesses.
BioNxt Solutions unveils accelerated 90-day plan. Global patent advancements, MS clinical trial, and anti-aging expansion. Vancouver, BC, ACCSS Newswire, February 19, 2025, BioNxt Solutions Inc. BioNxt, or the company, CSE, BNXT, OTC Pink, BNXTF, FSE, BXT, a bioscience innovator specializing in advanced drug delivery systems, is pleased to report on several major milestones for the next 90 days, including the registration of national-level patents, the completion of a human bioequivalence.
BNP Paribas' securities services business adopts Broadridge's global class action solution to maximize its clients' global asset recovery opportunities. Broadridge's solution provides comprehensive global class action coverage, maximizes claims, and increases investor participation in settlement recoveries. New York and London and Paris, February 19, 2025. PR Newswire. BNP Paribas Securities Services business, a leading global custodian with $13.7 trillion United States dollars under custody, has partnered with Globa.
Arista Networks earnings. Not enough upside for this inflection investor. Arista Networks had an impressive 2024, but the current valuation at 32x forward non-GAAP operating profits makes it less enticing. Despite strong AI networking prospects, much of ANET's growth is already priced in, with operating margins showing signs of compression. ANET's balance sheet flexibility is notable, but the risk-reward balance doesn't justify a bullish stance at this valuation.
Arista Networks Inc., ANET. Q4 2024 earnings call transcript. Arista Networks Inc., NYSE-ANET. Q4 2024 earnings conference. Call February 19, 2025, 4:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Company participants, Rudolph Araujo, Investor Advocacy Jay Shri Ulal, Chairperson and Chief Executive Officer Chantel Breithaupt, Chief Financial Officer John McCool, Chief Platform Officer Senior Vice President of Engineering and Operations Conference, call participants Michael Eng, Goldman Sachs Amit Daryanani, Evercore Tim Long.
Arista Networks, ANET, surpasses Q4 earnings and revenue estimates. Arista Networks, ANET, came out with quarterly earnings of 65 cents per share, beating the Zacks consensus estimate of 57 cents per share. This compares to earnings of 52 cents per share a year ago.
Bumble Inc., BMBL. Q4 2024, earnings call transcript. Bumble Inc., BMBL. Q4 2024, earnings call transcript.
Bumble investors shrug off revamp, shares drop as forecast disappoints. Shares of Bumble Inc. slid after hours on Tuesday after the dating app forecast first quarter sales that missed Wall Street's expectations as it tries to reinvent itself to help users better connect.
Bumble reports earnings. Closing bell comprehensive cross-platform coverage of the U.S. market close on Bloomberg Television, Bloomberg Radio, and YouTube, with Vonnie Quinn, Scarlett Fu, Carol Massar, and Tim Stenovec. More on Bloomberg Television and markets? Like this video?